Kamso! Kamso, wait! Kamso!
Onyinyechi, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me?
Kamso, please, you need to believe me. I don't have anything to do with AGK.
You don't have anything to do with AGK, and yet he keeps coming close to you. What do you take me for? I
told him that I don't love him. In fact, I also told him that we both share a bond. Please, believe me.
Wait. And yet you keep letting him come close to you. Okay, the other day I saw you both laughing out loud while he was following you to the stream. I mean, what was the meaning of that?
We were just having a harmless discussion and nothing more. It's you I love. My heart yearns for you.
Your heart yearns for me, and yet you keep allowing other guys to keep coming close to you. How do you expect me to feel?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but please believe me. I love you so much, Kamso. Please.
I'm with you.
How do you see this forthcoming New Year festival?
It's going to be an interesting event ever had in this community. I heard that Ivy has invited a lot of people from neighboring villages to grace the event.
I also heard that there will be dancing and wrestling competition amongst the Umuavobia and Umukurubia.
Hey! I also heard, and that is why I've been learning new styles of dancing steps so that I can become the best dancer.
Look at this one. I have been training so hard though. If you see my new dance step, I will make sure Nkechi does not win this year's dancing competition.
I'm telling you, you see that girl? That girl will not win.
She will win.
I'll be the one to win.
Look at this one. You've not even seen my new dance step. If I show you.
Are you serious? No, come and show me now.
Calm down. I don't want to see it. No! You see it on that day.
I might know your friend. Show me now.
Look at this one. That competition, we're not friends, so go and dance your own. Let me dance my own.
So that is how it is now.
Yes!
Okay, don't worry. I'm going to hide down and do my own, so I will not show you.
I don't want to see it because I know I'm going to win.
You win. With which leg?
Have you not seen me dancing before?
That's what I want to see now. You show me now.
No.
Okay, don't worry. Just do my hair for me. I'm not saying it.
Oh my hair. Do my hair. Oh, thank you.
Onyinyechi, how will you feel if you see other ladies flocking around me? No, tell me, how will you feel it?
Kamso, I understand. But please believe me. In fact, from today, I will have nothing to do with AGK. Yeah, I was not even having anything to do with him before, but I will not come close to him again.
Onye, please. Henceforth, I want you to stay away from me. Please, you can go and meet your AGK. You guys can keep laughing out loud. I don't care anymore. Excuse me.
Kamso, please. I'm sorry. Kamso. Onyinyechi, what is happening? You left your food on the table to get cold, and you are here. Where are these tears in your eyes? Oh, my daughter. What is it? I'm talking to you. Please talk to me. Omakachi Kansu. Huh?
Yes.
I know. It is only true love that can make tears come out from a woman's eyes. My daughter, what is happening? Talk to me.
He saw me talking to AGK and he got angry and said I should leave him alone.
tell him that there's nothing between you and Ejike?
I did. I told him. But he said I'm lying. He said he don't want to have anything to do with me.
Okay, my daughter, don't worry. I will talk to him later. I will talk to him.
Nne, please do. I love Chikamso so much and I don't want to lose him.
I know. I promise you, I will. Please, let's go inside. I want to go and eat your food. Let's go.
I don't have appetite to eat.
Let's go inside. Let's go. Don't worry, I'll talk to him.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are your parents?
They are fine. Ma, Chikamso, is he around?
He just stepped out. You can sit and wait for him.
Okay, ma, thank you. Can you say your cooking beans?
Yes, I want to cook beans for lunch.
Let me help you.
There's a bomb one. There we go. Be at peace, Be at peace with yourself. I know you're a good girl. You're not a good girl. I won't allow you to come near myself.
Good afternoon.
Take him at Gazi side. We have a guest.
Please, excuse us. Come.
Kamso, I came to see you.
You came to see me, why?
You know now. Kamso, concerning AGK matter, I have nothing to do with AGK. Okay, if you're doubting me, why don't you go and ask AGK since you don't want to see him anywhere close to me? Go and confirm the truth from him.
See, Onye, see, you and I know that I am a very jealous person and I won't be happy if I see some other guys flocking around you or even laughing with you. I don't feel happy with that.
I know, please. The thought of losing you is messing up with my brain. I can't sleep, I can't think. I don't know, I love you so much and I don't want to lose you.
Are you sure?
Yes, just give me one chance. I will not even stay anywhere close to AGK again. You won't even see him anywhere around me.
Alright. I trust you. I'm also sorry too for yelling at you.
It's okay.
Yeah, come. Even if it is the ocean, we will swim within it. Even if it's the mountain, we will surmount it. Nothing is going to come between us henceforth. Okay?
Thank you.
That's mine.
Chikamso,
Yeah, Mama.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
My son, listen to me. I want you to understand that a real love does not lie, but it speaks a great volume of truth. Please believe Onyinyechi. Do you hear me? Please believe Onyinyechi. She cannot follow another man.
Mama, I have heard all you have to say. Just that you should know that true love is filled with jealousy, and I also want you to know that I love Onyinyechi so much. So I think I was just overreacting.
Mama, I know you love her. But please, I don't want you people to have another problem again.
Mama, we are not going to have any other problem.
Please, I don't want any problem again.
I promise you this will be the last time.
Okay.
I'll be overthinking like this.
I have it. No problem.
Hey, Papa. Good afternoon. Good day. Welcome.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What about your mother?
Papa, she's getting better.
That's good.
Mama, I will start going now.
Okay, she comes.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Alright.
You're welcome.
Thank you. What did this boy come here to do?
You need Chikasu?
Yes.
I sent for him.
You sent for him?
Yes. I just want to ask him about his mother. No, they don't have father again. So I need to know their whereabouts, how they are doing.
They don't have father again. Now you are now their father.
Nani. Hey. Nani.
No, you are the father now.
Nani. How about the palace meeting?
The palace meeting is not bad.
Okay.
Where is our granddaughter?
Onyechi. I sent her an errand to get something for me. She will soon be back.
Okay, get me water to drink.
Okay, water. Okay, I'm coming. Nani. Hey.
I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. Love can be found in some odd places. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter, sweetness. I got to live my life, get all the fun I wish, I get all the happiness I want. But remember in this life, what you sow is what you reap. Everything happens for a reason, but what will be will surely be. We surely be.
I know.
Wow.
We just completed the taking today. So
Good. Right on time. Yes, you're doing a good job.
welcome.
Thank you.
That needs some breeze of love. Breeze of love. I'm sitting at the breeze of love.
So how many days will it take for it to be dry?
Just 2-3 days now.
Really, yeah?
Yes, 2-3 days.
Then we can build on it. Continue.
Yes, sir.
Start laying blocks again.
Yes, sir.
In some odd places. Sometimes
Looking like it.
it's bitter. Sometimes
We start contacting the block management so that they will supply block. Yes.
Sometimes it's bitter. Sometimes sweet, bitter, spirit. Let's go spa. Sometimes it's sweet. Sometimes it's bitter. Sometimes sweet, bitter, spirit.
Mama!
Welcome. Oh, fine.
Mama!
You're welcome.
See you, Mama. Oh,
You're welcome.
good to see you, Mama.
No.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
You don't tell us that you are coming home.
I Mama, you know my style. I love to surprise you people.
Yes, I know your style. You want to surprise us.
Yes, sir.
How is the business?
Business is fine.
Hey.
Look at you.
This car, it's not the one you came home with the other day.
Well, God is doing wonders. This is one of my cars.
Yeah? So that means the God has done it again.
Yes.
Hey!
Yeah, this car is very beautiful. I like this one.
Hey!
You like it?
Yes, Vanessa is very fine. I like this one.
Don't worry. Very soon I'll buy you one small car you'll be managing.
Hey, but I car.
Small one, no, not this type. Small car.
I know you do it.
Yes, sir. Mama, I'm just coming from the site. The engineer is doing a very good job.
My son. That engineer knows what he's doing.
Yes, it's very good.
After I'm preparing food. As if I know that you are coming home shortly.
God will bless you. Take this key. See, with this you open the boot, press and hold. Okay? I bought some things for you, Mama and Oinyechi.
Hey! Brother!
Thank you. Take it easy.
Mama, where is Oinyechi?
Oh, Oinyechi. I sent her on errand. She will soon be back. Hey,
Mama, it's okay, it's okay. You're going to get better. I promise you. Just take it easy. Just take it easy. Please, I don't want you to die. Please, I don't want you to leave me the way Papa left us. Hey, please.
Stop taking your pets. Because I love you.
Mama, how is the thing doing you now?
Please, everyone, I want this. Joy, please. Everyone, please. Hello. Everywhere. I want this. I'm using hammer. My date.
I just wish I have small money and let me go and get you drugs. But I don't have anything with me now. I don't have anything. Nothing at all. I don't know what to do. What kind of pain is this now? What kind of pain is this? Mama, wait. Easy, okay? Easy. Just please let me go out, okay? I'm coming back now. Let me know if I can get help from somebody out there, okay? Please. I'm coming back now. Just give me small time, please. Nobody, Mama is on around. Yes, I want to talk.
Calm down. Chikasu, what's up? What happened? Please excuse us. Come here. What's wrong? What's the problem?
My brother is very, very sick. Like, she's seriously sick and I don't have any money with me to go and get her drugs or something.
So, what are we going to do about it?
I honestly don't know. I don't know if I can help.
I'll be back.
Mama, please, Mama. Mama, please, I can't lose you. I've already lost my pride. I can't afford to lose you. Mama.
Let's go.
Iwechi, my granddaughter, what are you doing with Chikamso? The way I'm seeing you with him in recent times gets me confused. Moreover, he said that he is an artist. I've never seen him with a poster, not even a portrait. No album for him to say that he's a musician. He does nothing for a living. Look at his hairstyle, all this thing. I'm telling you this because that boy, if you give him that very space, he will ruin your life.
Grandpa, there is nothing going on with Chikamso and I. We are just friends.
Let it be as you said that we are just friends. See, I am preparing you for a better tomorrow. Yes. So for a very good future. The way you are, look at you, very beautiful girl. I want to keep you in a way that when your father, my son Afamefune, comes back, he will be proud that I took good care of you. You're a very beautiful girl. So that responsible man will come for you. Not a village urchin like him. He has nothing, absolutely nothing to offer. So please, distance yourself from him. If you give him that very space, he will ruin your life. Which will not happen in my presence.
Grandpa, I've heard you. I will try my best to avoid him.
Oh, really? That's a promise. Good. Please, go and get me something to eat. You're a very beautiful girl. Look at you. So that responsible man will come for you, not that street urchin will come with one type of ragamuffin hair.
That was what he asked me.
And what did you not tell him?
I told him we are just friends.
I'm saying, you told him very, very well. Let me tell you something. No man on earth is going to take you away from me, not even the dead. Okay? I love you so much.
And happily, we are going to live together forever.
Amen. Amen.
I want to sing for you.
You want to sing for me?
Don't laugh.
Let me laugh the one I want to laugh at. Okay, go ahead.
Ewo Chikamso afụrụ gị n'anya. Ewo Chikamso afụrụ gị n'anya. Ewo Chikamso afụrụ gị n'anya.
Hey, stop.
So how's the journey, bro?
Very well, my guy. We thank God.
Good.
So did Mr. Johnson agree on the business terms with you?
Don't mind that guy. He declined the percentage I offered him.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How can a man be this greedy? Huh? You declined 10% from a business that you did not invest so much in.
Can you imagine? Don't mind Mr. Johnson. He's a very greedy person. I've known him for a very long time now. This is his style, you know. But me, Onyenko, I will not agree to his selfish terms, never.
I trust you.
That's why I come.
That's by the way. How is your fiancée doing?
My darling, she's fine. She's fine, yes. She just left here yesterday.
Onyenko himself. Look, you have to try as much as possible to pay the bride price of that lady so you can settle down once and for all.
No problem. I'm working on it.
I like the sound of that.
I'm working on it soon. Hello? Yes, it's Onyenko speaking. Oh, Mr. Clifford. Yes, I remember. We met before. We met at the ministry. Oh, Yes. Oh well, everybody's fine. I'm fine. Business is fine. Yes. Oh really? You have a contract for me? Alright, I'm listening. Yeah, sure. I want to hear the terms. Mr. Clifford. 70-30, that is too much. Come on now. I'm not a child. I've done this thing for many years. Yes, I've done business with a couple of guys in your ministry, and what they always take is 10%. Don't forget, I still have other people to settle. Exactly, you know the drill. So 10% for you is just perfect. Alright, is that okay? You have nothing to worry about. You are talking to Onyenko. Your money is certain. I don't take people's money. You get your 10%. Alright, no problems at all. I'll be expecting your call. Yes.
Sweetheart.
My love. My darling. I missed you.
I miss you too.
What took you so long? I was expecting you to come make me food.
I am so sorry. I got an urgent call from Mom.
Your mother?
Yes.
Oh, how is she?
She's fine.
Is she okay?
Oh, of course she is.
If she needs money, let me know. I'll send her money.
Yeah. Sure, my adorable.
Alright, so you can make food for me now.
Okay, just give me some minutes.
Okay.
Alright.
Come back. Sit down. Visited.
Papa, is there any problem?
Don't worry. Just calm. Cool down first. Onyechi, my granddaughter. Our people say that when a girl is right, then some people will start asking who her father is. My friend Mbani told me that his son that stays in the city wants to marry you.
Coincidentally, Mbano's wife saw me in the market the other day, and she was calling me her in-law. I thought that she was joking.
It wasn't a joke. They are serious.
Yeah.
Yes. You know who Mbano is? Mbano is a very nice man. My granddaughter. So what do you have to say? I'm talking to you. What do you have to say? I said I'm talking to you. What do you have to say?
Oh, about it?
Yes.
Well, Baba, I'm not interested.
Why? Why are you not interested?
Because I'm not interested now.
You are not interested because you are not interested. Your mates are married. There is some with 1 or 2 children. But what are you waiting for? If you are not interested, tell me, what are you waiting for? Now, what are you waiting for? You are no longer a kid. This your grandmother. I got married to her at the age of 18. She was 18 years when I married her. So now you're getting to 20 years and you are telling me you are not interested.
Grandpa, can you stop comparing me? Stop it, please. I'm not interested. Why do you want me to marry somebody I've not seen before? Someone I don't even know. Just because you know his family, you want me to get married to him. I'm not interested. I'm not ready for marriage.
You must be ready. You must be ready for marriage. Mbonu is a very, very nice man. I saw his son. You know, he's a very nice man, Mbonu. And his son is very, very good.
I know.
So, what are you telling me?
Just go inside. Go and do what you are doing. Yeah?
Thank you, Mom. Papa, are you done?
I am not done. I was going to go with it. Ask me, I'm not done. I will be done if you will comply with what I say.
My husband. There is sense what she's saying.
Which sense?
You only could be zoo.
Give her the kubezo.
My biko. Guy, me a chance.
I will touch again. Which type of chance?
Please. Biko. Hey. Allow her.
Mbonu is a very nice man.
I know.
And you know who he is.
I know.
But she knows the family
I know.
very well.
It's okay. Everything you are saying here is correct. But please, allow her. Allow her, Biko.
My grandpa said I must get married to him. And when I told him no, he became angry.
Baby, so because this young man stays abroad, that is why your grandpa was angry.
Yes, but you have nothing to be worried about. I will not marry him. It's always going to be you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for standing by me.
It's okay.
Alright, yeah. See, I promise you, I will never let you down. Okay?
Are you sure?
I won't. Thank you.
It's high time you've given my grandchildren. And I want you to tell me when we are going to see Juliet's people for an official introduction.
Mama, relax. Calm down. I'm going to see Juliet's people. I'll marry her. Don't bother yourself, but I need to finish my house first.
Afam, your building has nothing to do with seeing Juliet's people. Please, I need my grandchildren.
Mama, relax.
Is that too much to ask?
It's not too much to ask, Mama, but calm down. Calm down, man. I'm the one getting married, not you. Relax. I will marry her. But let me finish my house first. And so that when I marry her, I'll bring her back to my new house. House that belongs to me. Calm down.
Oh. Okay. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be going back to the village.
Don't tell me this is the only reason you came to see me.
That is the reason. What will I be doing here?
What will you be doing here? In my house? What will you be doing in your son's house? No problem. Go.
Afamefuna. How many times did I call you? I need my grandchildren. Afamefuna.
FG postpones students' loan scheme. Yeah.
Onyechi, what is wrong with you? How could you embarrass your grandmother and I in such manner? Now tell me, why is it that any man that comes to marry you, you reject him by giving us one reason or the other? What is wrong with you?
Grandpa, I've told the countless time that I cannot marry that man. I'm not interested. I don't know him from anywhere. I don't know him. Once I'm ready to get married, I will bring a man of my choice. You need to know that marriage is a lifetime something. So I need to be careful.
Enough of that! Now when is that man of your choice? When is he coming? When is he coming? Just have a look at her now, my daughter. Don't look at her that she's here with us. She's already married. Everything about her marital rights have been paid. We are just waiting for just little time. Just little time, like December period now. She will see how she will be with the husband. And nobody hates you. We love you as our granddaughter. In our lineage, in our family here, once you have to 20, before 20 you get married. Look at your grandmother here. I married her before, not even up to 18 before she got married. So why is it that your own will be different? Why?
But that's because we are two different women now. I must not marry the same time when she got married. And Papa, I will get married, but you have to be patient.
I will not be patient with you. You must get married, whether you like it or not. You must get married, whether you like it or not. Don't say that I did not want you.
Listen to me.
I will not listen to you. You must get married. You have to. You must get married. Nobody hates you.
Listen. Please, let's take it easy with her. Since she said that, when she sees a man that is her choice, that she will marry.
But don't tell me that you are supporting now. Don't let it not be that you are supporting her.
I'm not supporting her.
I will not tell you this thing again. Talk to her. Any language you used to talk to her. Talk to her. Don't say
she will marry. Come on, sit down. Come on, sit down. Hey, now wow. Sit down. Onyechi, listen to me. There's an adage that says, whatever an adult sees and sees, a child cannot see it. Even if he climbs an iroko tree, he cannot see it. It is only a good grandmother that knows when her granddaughter is in love. And I know you are in love.
Grandma, what are you trying to say?
My granddaughter, what I'm telling you is that please listen to your grandpa. I know that you and Chikamso are in love. But because of Chikamso, you have been rejecting all the men that are coming here asking your hand in marriage. Chikamso doesn't have anything doing. Chikamso comes from a poor family. He cannot take care of you. Please, reject Chikamso and choose one of those men.
Grandma, I'm sorry, I cannot reject Chikamso. I can't reject him, I love him so much. All these men were saying that has no money, didn't they start from somewhere? They were poor before, then they started from somewhere before they could achieve the money they have now. And I believe in Chikamso. I know someday he will make it. He will make it, Mama. Grandma, I know he will make it. Please. I love him so much. I can't leave him.
Onichi, your words are courageous. But please, don't allow your grandpa to know anything about this. Please.
I can't even imagine Okeke sleeping with his younger brother's wife. It is an abominable act.
Very abominable indeed. What is this world turning into? Every day one bad story or the other. But I don't blame Okeke though.
You don't blame him? Why? Why would I blame him? Did he force her? He didn't force her, rather that useless woman opened her mind to it. Yeah, you are making sense, but since I still blame him. Because even that woman is beautiful, or pleasantly enough, or see, she still remains his brother's wife.
So what did Igwe and the cabinet have to say about it?
What else? He has to face the consequence. Well, you must be punished. You can't leave him like that and just go like that. For that kind of act. It's not possible.
But it should be both of them facing the consequences, not just him.
Chikamso.
Aye.
Our people say that when a servant begins to eat his master's food, he should not wet his eyes when he receives some strokes of cane from the master. You see, I have known you and your family for some time before death took your father. And it will not be good if I start having problems with you.
I hope I have not committed any crime.
You have not committed any crime, you said? What are you doing with my daughter? Enyechi, my granddaughter, has rejected 4 suitors that came to marry her. And on several occasions I heard from her discussing with her mother about you.
Nai, Onyechi is just my close friend, nothing more. She's just my friend.
Just your friend. Let it be that you are just friends, because I will not take it lightly with you if I discover that you are misleading her.
Nai, there is no way I am going to mislead her. Just like I said, we are just friends. There's nothing much.
No problem. Let it be ordinary, just friends as you say. But let that handshake, let it not exceed the elbow. Because if it does, you may not like what I will do to you.
Alright, sir.
I think I'm done with you. You can take your leave. wepụkwa aka enwe n'ofe emewu aka mmadụ. Asịkwa na agwara gị. Asịkwa na agwara gị. You can go. You can go.
Okay. I'm in there.
Okay.
What is it? Where have you been? I came to your house.
My house? What were you doing in my house?
Your grandfather sent for me.
I see. What did he say?
He asked me if I was having anything to do with you. That you have been busy rejecting suitors that wants to marry you.
And what was your response?
I told him that we are just friends, nothing much.
What? Why will you say that? And first of all, why will my grandfather call you to ask you such a question? Like, this man is now doing too much. And I think I'm going to call my father and report him to my father. I just can't wait for my dad to just come to this village and settle this whole thing. But why? Are you serious? Denying me in front of my grandfather? Telling me you are just friends?
Ovin, what do you expect me to tell him? Should I accept that we are lovers?
Yes! This relationship is not a dating. Everyone in this community knows about us. So I see no reason why you are lying to my grandfather. Or you think he does not know? You think he does not know that you are my lover? So why are you denying me in front of him?
I am so sorry. Alright, our love is not a dating. I did all that just to protect us. Alright, please. I'm sorry.
Don't do it again.
Alright.
I know you're thirsty. And the weather is hot. So why don't you just stand up? Let's go and get something cold.
Alright.
Let's go.
Mefula, you know, with how far we have gone, you are like a brother to me. And I can never see anything evil or harm that wants to happen to you and I would allow it to happen to you. Afam, I'm suspecting your fiancé. It's having affairs outside of you.
What are you talking about?
Look, HK, my friend, told me in confidence that there is this certain guy, he has seen the both of them together a couple of times and he was so sure of what he has seen.
Are you mad? How can you come to my house and say such nonsense about my fiancé? Have you gone nuts? Did you smoke something before coming here?
Afa, I know what I am saying.
You don't know what you are saying, you're talking nonsense. How can you say such nonsense before me? Huh? You want to break up my fiancé and I? Is that it? What is wrong with you? Enough! Don't tell me such nonsense. Enough! You and whoever told you that you couldn't see anything. Shut up! That's not how you will go about breaking people's homes. Don't tell me such nonsense. I trust my fiancé, she will never cheat on me. Leave it that way.
Okay, I'm sorry. In fact, if you say I should close my mouth.
Enough.
So bad. Sorry that I even said it to you.
Say it again. Me, I'll tell you how many times I've seen your own fiancé cheating on you.
I say.
Enough. God is a decent girl, she will never do that. I am happy. My house will soon be completed.
Yeah.
Yes. And once I'm done with it, I will come see your people. pay your bride price, do everything, and you become my wife.
Oh, babe. You can still pay my bride price and continue your house. It won't stop anything.
Yes, you are right, but that's not my style. I want to finish the house. I know I'm done with that. Then, marriage.
That's okay.
Yes,
that's
that's my reason.
That's alright.
I want to ask you something.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Are you seeing any other man?
Of course not. Why would I be seeing another man? What would that man give to me that you cannot give times 3? Oh, are you still listening to gossip? You sure? Okay. Thank you.
Ikem, I don't know what is wrong. All of a sudden, all the men in this our village want to get married to me.
Okay, that is because you are very, very beautiful and attractive.
But I'm not the only beautiful girl in this village now. For there are other girls that are more prettier than I am. So why are they all after me?
You see, it is very, very easy. Yeah, I feel you should just reject them. Yes, just be sending them away. So let me tell you something. No man in this village, no man on earth will ever take you away from me. Okay? Yeah, I promise you that I'm loving you for forever.
Sorry. I can't soon. I've been waiting for you. Is it not Onyinyechi and Chikamsu? The house has been on fire since my father has been shouting. Why? He saw them on his way coming back. You should leave these two alone. Now leave them to just love in peace. What do you mean love? They live with themselves now. Leave them. So you don't know love when you see love. That rubbish they are doing is what you are calling love. That is purely nonsense. See, it's real love. The way these people are going as if they took oath before coming to this world. Hi. I don't blame you, my friend. Because you've never been in love, so you don't even know when you see rubbish and when you see love. I don't understand what you are saying, no, but at least their love is genuine. Do you want to call the rubbish that is existing between me and Onyeka love? That one is not even part of it. I can't even compare at all. After that nonsense I'm saying you and him do. Anyway, Sha, I just pray that you see a genuine man that will love you genuinely. So when you see the rubbish that Chikamso and Onyinye is doing, you will call it rubbish and not love. See, you are my friend, so pray for me. Pray harder. No problem. Pray very well, so that I will marry someone that is good. Because I can never marry that idiot. I will never allow you to marry him. Yes, so I can never do it. Take. See his number here. Call him. Thank you so much. Well, are you sure that man will give me the one? Call him, he will give you. I will running late. No, the way I dress. I look good at it. It's fine. It's okay. This clothes is very fine. Go. Alright now. Thank you very much. Alright. We'll see you in the evening, no? Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Maybe, which type of car would you want me to buy for you once I become rich?
You know I have big eyes.
Exactly. I know. Definitely, I know that.
So I don't want a car. I want private jets.
Yeah. Do you know the amount they sell private jets? That is a whole lot of money.
Yes, I know it's expensive. And I also have faith that you will make a lot of money. You will make more than enough money to even get me 5 private jets. I'm just saying it out of faith.
Hey, women of faith. I'm saying, baby, see that private jet you just mentioned? I am promising you now that once I become rich, I will buy you the latest one, the latest private jet. That one they call Bombardier jets. That one that has the mouth like an eagle's own. I will buy you that one. anything for you.
Ike, I'm sure my mother is done cooking by now. Let's go to my house so you eat some.
Oriana, I don't mind. Alright.
I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. Love can be found in some odd places. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience. I got to live my life, get all the fun I wish, I get all the happiness I want. But you remember in this life, what you sow is what you reap. Everything happens for a reason, but what will be will surely be. We surely be. We surely be.
Did you go to any shopping mall today?
Oh no, I didn't. I've been home since morning. Oh, okay. I actually went out to get soap for washing.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Sweetheart, you've been behaving strange lately. Has anybody been feeding you with fake news?
Nobody has been feeding me with anything.
It seems someone has been monitoring me and feeding him back.
I'm starting to think there's some truth in what you've been saying about Juliet. Yes. Yesterday, I was driving past a shopping mall and I saw Juliet. I saw her coming out from the shopping mall with a man. I'm so sure I saw her. I pulled back and tried to come down from the car. She was gone. I didn't see her again. I left. She came to the house. I asked her. She denied it. She said she was not the one. But I'm sure. I am sure I saw her. I'm certain I saw her.
But I told you, eh? See, you know I don't talk anyhow. Before I would have said something, I would be so sure of what I'm going to say, so that it will not be lies. I have seen Juliet with that very guy on many occasions. You don't even need to worry, you're still going to see them. Mark my word. You will still see them.
Bro, please, keep monitoring her, right? I want to know what is really going on between Juliet and that guy. I don't want to rush anything. Let me have concrete evidence, right? Please keep monitoring her.
You're going to see them again. I promise you. You will see the both of them again. Excuse me.
I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone
Yeah, hello?
that needs some breeze
How now?
Breeze of love.
Yeah, I'm good. I went to see my friend Onyanko.
Love can be found in some places. Sometimes it's sweet.
Alright.
Sometimes
Towards evening I'm going to respond, okay? No problem. Alright now.
I got to live my life. Get all the fun I wish. I get all the happiness I want. But you remember in this life, what you sow is what you reap. Everything happens for a reason, but what will be will surely be. We surely be. We surely be. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. Love can be found in some odd places. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience. There's no spark. Sometimes there's no spark. Sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience. There's no spark. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience.
Yeah, as we speak, they have found their way into the hotel. Yes, so right now. Yes, Waypoint Hotel Suites. Right now, yes. Okay. All right now. I'm waiting. Women. What do women really want? I trailed them down to the room they entered.
Okay. You know the room?
Absolutely, yes.
Good. Let's go.
Nice.
You're so sweet. Come on.
You know I cannot have enough of you.
Oh, wow.
You are so smooth.
Yeah.
Yes. Who's there?
Room service.
Let me just go
Okay. Hurry. I can't wait to have you again. and again. Oh my God.
Baby, you're not where? You're not where? Eh?
What are you doing?
What?
So it's true.
It's true. No. It's not what you think. I can explain. Baby! Say what
men! Hey! Juliet, who are those men?
I'm dead.
Juliet, I'm talking to you. I answer you for the very last time. Who are those men?
That is my fiancé!
What? Oh no! I'll be eating another man's food.
I'm not married now! You're not married now! Shut up! Shut up!
Shut up! So you're dating me and dating another man? What is wrong with you women? Why are you so confused in life?
He was not giving me the way you are giving me.
So what? God! So I've been eating another man's food. He asked you a simple question. So if this man just walked in here now, came with guns, so they will not shoot me dead because of you. Because of you. Well, why are you women so evil? Oh God!
You're giving me so hard now.
I was giving. Shut up! For this simple reason, I'm going to leave you. Don't you ever call my number again. No, I'm going to block every single connection I have with you. Nonsense! Where's my clothes? Nonsense! This is so rubbish. Nonsense! You just. So you've been playing with me all this while? You've been playing with me? Eat everything I've given to you. Eat it. This is so rubbish.
Don't leave me.
What would I leave you? No, I just want to another man's property. Sure.
I'm not married to you now. You're just a fiancé.
A fiancé, then you're playing with him now. You're playing with him. So nonsense. I'm out of here. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Don't leave me now. What have I done?
A lot of women can never be trusted. You see? I remember telling you this thing. I was telling you what was happening, what was going on, but you never listened.
To think that I was planning to go see her people by the end of this month.
That would have been a very fatal mistake. A very big one. I know how much you have invested on that gold digger. Look at where it landed you now. I don't know why, no matter what you do for women, the moment she decides to mess up, to cheat on you, nothing would stop her. There is no amount of sacrifice you do for a woman. Once she decides to cheat on you, nothing will stop her. Eh? Oh my.
I still can't believe this. Can't believe it.
Oyenko, what has happened has happened. You have to pull yourself together. You didn't lose her. She lost you. And you are a man. There are women everywhere. I'm sure you are going to find a better one. Better, far better than her.
Anjuma!
You walk for that gate? Eh? You walk for the gate? What's happened now?
Anjuma!
What's happened?
Please, I want to see the boss.
You won't see my boss based on waiting. Based on saying my boss, you see Kabina waiting. See, listen very well for the information. My Oga say he no won't see you for this house again. You don't hear me?
Anjuma, it's important that I see him. Please.
Sometimes you always act like say you will just get single sense. You don't understand what they talk now. See my Oga say he no won't see you for this house.
Why are you acting like you don't know me?
Oh my God! I just respect you. Respect your audience. Respect her now.
Alpha!
I see you talking.
Sorry! Stop it!
See,
baby!
Where they go? Come on for here.
Why are you doing this to me?
Oh, this English way they speak, now they make me the best.
I said make you stay for here. Tell me what are you doing to stay for this place? Okay, you know what? See, I dey respect you. I dey respect women. Respect yourself. One minute, come on from my body. Please! Come on from my place! Hey! No, you won't break. Stop now, you won't break. Jimmy, I don't think you don't want to. I don't think you say make you go. Make you go. You don't want to see you go. You come on, you know how to use my job. Eh?
Dan Juma.
Oga.
Who's at the gate?
No, this girl, the girl, Juliet. I don't tell her say you say make her know I don't come inside. But she the person said you won't enter inside your house.
Please, let me in.
Let her in. Let her in.
Take her home. You know it.
Oh, please. What's your problem? Baby. Sweetheart. My knees are on the floor. Please forgive me.
Don't touch me.
I am sorry for what I did to you. Please, it was not intentional. Please forgive me, sweetheart. Please.
Really? It was not intentional.
No, it wasn't.
This morning now, I don't know where she has gone to.
It's okay. I want her to settle down. And I want you to know that we are already getting married. So you must put from and learn some things before entering that family.
Hey, Mama, let her also be learning the thing too now. The only thing she knows is to follow that boy up and down.
Stop complaining. I don't want you to complain. Allow her to settle down, please. I want her to settle down. Eh? So you go to farm with me and learn some things.
It wasn't intentional for you to cheat on me. Or it wasn't intentional for me to catch you cheating on me. Which one? You should be ashamed of yourself. Just look at you. Look at what you did to yourself. After all I've done for you. Huh? After all the time we've been together. Is there anything you've ever asked me for that I didn't do for you?
No.
Huh? No. So this is how you pay me back. To think that I was going to marry you. Look at what you did.
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Do not touch me. Get up and get out of my compound now.
Hey,
Danjuma!
please.
Danjuma! Move out. Move out.
Touch me.
I said move out. See?
I am sorry.
Come on here. Come on here.
Don't touch me. He's baby. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I don't want to sleep with this house.
Open the gate. I'm going out. Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
How are you?
Papa, I'm fine, though.
How is the life in the city?
Papa, everything is fine, though.
That's good.
Thank God.
My son.
Mama?
You still keep surprising us every day by day.
Mama, that is the style of a real man.
Okay?
Yes. Nobody should be able to predict you as a man. If people think you are going right, you go left. I can't walk.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Okay, no problem. Mama, let's go in and make food for them.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Go far.
My son,
Papa?
how about my daughter-in-law, Juliet?
Juliet. I will not marry her.
Why? What happened?
Juliet ain't what you see, Papa. You won't believe I caught her in a hotel room with a man.
Are you serious?
Very serious. My friend Joe kept on telling me that Juliet is a very useless person. That she's into that kind of nonsense. I didn't believe Joe because I trusted Juliet. And I've been with her for some time, you know. Lo and behold, Joe took me to a hotel. I went into the room and I caught Juliet with a man. I caught her naked on the bed.
Are you telling me that this is what you would be doing if you had married her? Hey!
Thank God I didn't marry her. What do you see?
Hey.
I mean, come on, I'm pained. What have I not done for Juliet? Is there anything she will ask me for that I will not do? Will I kill myself?
Man, I don't trust all these city girls at all. Well, the deed has been done. But what I will do now is to go to this our village. I will make research and look for a village girl that will marry. Because I believe that they are better than all these city girls that continue jumping from one man to another. It's wrong. Thank God you realize this on time. Hey! Juliet man for Jananya. Mamaga.
Hopeless human being. Useless human being.
Hey.
No.
No, eh?
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
That house is so big. Buka. I will be spending a lot of money in that building.
Yes, sir.
Hey, because we're in
That's Mama. I worked hard to make money. I will build a befitting mansion, not just for me, for my mother and Papa. We will stay there and be very comfortable. Mama, be happy that the money is there.
I'm happy.
I miss you more. Look at you.
Sir?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Is this you? This big? What are you feeding her with? Food. My daughter. Hey, I missed you. Did you miss me? I came the other time to the village. I didn't see you. Where did you go?
I went to see someone.
Some more.
Let's go. Kamso, come. Dad, this is Kamso. He's my boyfriend. He's my love.
Yes. Welcome, sir.
My boyfriend. His name is Kamso. This is my father, my lovely father.
You're what?
My boyfriend.
You're what?
Boyfriend.
Again. Are you mad? I said get out of my house. Get out! Come on! I said get out! Come on, move! Get out! How old are you? You're telling me you have a boyfriend. Are you mad?
Kamso!
Shut up, my friend! How old are you that you want to have a boyfriend? Now I'm naked. Sit down there!
Kamso!
Are you mad? Shut up! I'm talking. You stand in front of me and tell me you have a boyfriend. Sit down there! Sit down! Mama. Since when?
My son, please, forgive her. Biko, where are you?
Mama, how long has this been happening?
My son, Biko.
How long? So you knew about this, you didn't tell me. You knew that my little daughter is here in the village, moving about with boys, and you never called to...
Please, no, Biko. Hey, let's meet you. Biko. Onyechi. Hey. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Apologize to your father. Now. What's he so? Yeah. Apologize.
I'm sorry. It will not happen again. Dad, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
She said she won't do it again. Please. She will try it again. You may see a mancha. Pico. Mahale. Okay, believe me. Pico. You may see a Pico.
Hey, I can see you are still learning your new dancing step. Indeed, you are going to be the winner.
Yeah, so I want to put in more effort because I want to emerge as the winner.
Indeed, you are going to be the winner, eh? See, baby, if you win this competition that is coming up, once you win and bring such honor to me, see, I will kill the biggest cock for you. Those ones that have red head that used to be very, very big, I will get it for you.
Are you serious?
Yes, now. Once you bring such honor to me, just that fowl, that cock that I said I am going to buy for you, I will get it for you.
Don't worry, I'm going to make you proud.
I can't do it. See, I thought you were dancing before I got this small.
I'm tired. I've been dancing. I've been waiting for you, but since you took time to waste, I just had to use the opportunity to put my efforts in my dance practice.
So I came late. I went to do something for Mama. So.
You're welcome. And I know you
Thank you.
It is said in our tradition, when a visitor eats cola, he will explain his reason of the visit. You're welcome. So, our visit is a very simple one. You know, I'm Obi Machine. And this is my last wife. And that also people call her Maria. You're welcome. So, I'm Obi's son. I've come of age. And he wants to settle down to start building his own family. That's good. For some time, he has been watching the character. You know how these days are. There are a lot of things, but the only maiden that pleases his heart, that his spirit accepts, you find in your household. Yes, your granddaughter. So that is why we are here. And you know that you cannot see the teeth of a little child with an empty hand. Yes. I have to get the drink first. So you are confirming to me now that your son, Amobi, yes, saw a damsel in my house that dances the music that he plays. Yeah, exactly. That's what you're talking about. Well, I will not say much because I will not pursue flies from an escort because I'm not going to. I'm not going to go another. So what I have to do is I have to call my wife. Because it is said that a snake seen by one person is always referred to as a python. So, Obidia.
Mind you.
Thank you.
Mazin Joko. This is his son, Amobi. So he lives in the city. He said that his son saw a dancer that dances the music that he plays in my house. Yes. First of all, I will order you to go and fetch Onyechi for me. Right, I will discuss with them. Mazin Joku, you see, Onyechi is my granddaughter. The father is my son, though he stays in the city. So she is equally my own daughter.
Exactly.
So I will not just say anything. Let us call her and you hear from her. Because I'm not going to decide for her. Of course.
She said.
Good day, sir. Your father.
How are you?
I'm watching my granddaughter. Here's Mazin Joko. This is his son, Amobi. He says he stays in the city. And he says that he saw a dancer that dances the music that he plays in my house. And you are the dancer. He said that he's interested in you. Yes, that he wants to marry you. So what do you have to say?
Papa, I don't know.
You don't know, you must either say this, I'm interested or I'm not interested.
Papa, I was busy before you called me.
Are you seeing what? Huh?
Let me go quick.
No, can I come on?
No, we're free.
You know she's still a young girl. I think we should give her some time. Yes.
What time are we going to go? It's a question of yes or no.
No, she's a young girl. She has to think about it.
Think of getting what?
Now you know when you were coming to me, I did this.
She has a point.
Yes.
I'm with my son. I'm not going to say so.
She will come around.
Just calm down. You know?
Calm down. She will come
calm
around.
down. I think after some time she will come around. You know?
Okay.
Just calm down.
Okay.
Don't worry. That's how she was doing. So that's all right. That will not be a problem. Let us give her some time she has suggested. So we'll be on our way now. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, I'm Obi. Please just calm down. Everything will be alright.
Okay, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Children of nowadays. What is wrong with that?
I'm about going back to the city, so I thought it wise to come and see you people. I know how you are doing.
Yes. I'm Obi, my son. You did very well. You did well, my son.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Asam. Only mommy. Nkem? Don't worry, when I be coming back, I'll get you a very good phone and some other good things, okay? Asarugo.
That's good.
Yeah.
Nai. Ada akan boke barak. Aku nak ibu kamu. Nai. This is for you.
Some more.
50,000 naira. You should manage it.
Thank you, my son. May God continue to bless you. As you go coming back, you come with more money.
I'm okay. Thank you. This one is beyond managed. Hey.
There's no problem. Eh? Mama, sir. Why? Baby. Huh? This is a harmless gift. I don't buy it. How can love name me how? Love is tormenting me, not you. Because it's fine. Why, Oma? Oma, sir. That's okay. That's okay. I understand. That's right. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. No. Thank you so much.
I wish you journey mercy.
You say,
as you're going, go in peace.
You say,
I decree that accident will not locate you.
You say,
yes. If it's happening at the front, you are at the back.
Say,
if everything is happening at the back, you'll be at the front.
Say,
because of you, witches and wizards, they will be asleep.
You say,
go, accident will not locate you.
You say,
it shall be well with you.
You say,
go back to the city, make more money, and come back. I remember that we are still here.
You say, God.
And so shall it be.
You say, thank you,
my son.
No.
May God lead you.
Amen.
Unye, how could you agree to get married to that man that calls himself Amobi? And you even went ahead to collect money from him. Are you serious?
Kamsu, yes, I collected money from him. But I swear, I do not accept to marry him.
Then why did you collect the money from him if you don't have the intentions in getting married to him?
I wanted to tell you about it. Yes, I wanted to tell you about it, and I was even planning on giving you the money. Kamsu. Here's the money. I've not spent a dime for this money. I collected it for you so I can give it to you and to support yourself in any way that you can. Please.
No, I don't want it.
Take it. Take it. I love you so much and I want to see you succeed. Please.
It's fine, let's go inside.
Uche, you're highly welcome.
When I see you, I'm always happy. Because you're truly a happy man.
That's it. I give you more wine. That's how it's supposed to be.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And something actually brought me to your house.
Yeah, I
was going somewhere, but I thought it wise to come and lay a little complaint.
Complaint?
Yes.
What happened?
This is about your granddaughter.
My granddaughter?
Yes.
Onyeji?
I don't know what happened. She suddenly changed. She told me that she doesn't want to marry me anymore, that I should go and get married to someone like that. I should let her be. I don't know. I tried to find out, but...
Onyeji said that to you?
No, she did say it to me. She told me so. Okay, I was with her in my house. When I was about telling her something, she suddenly left. And then she didn't even come back when I was calling her. Heaven knows that I love your granddaughter.
I know.
And I will do anything humanly possible to see her be the mother of my children. I love her and I cannot lose her to anyone. I can't.
My in-law, I am assuring you that no man will marry my granddaughter except you. That little boy that is deceiving her will have a taste of my wrath if he doesn't let my daughter alone. That's my word.
Hold on a minute. Last night I was discussing with my sister and she made mention of a certain boy following her around and deceiving your granddaughter. And here you are saying the same thing. Is it true?
Of course, yes, it is. That young man, I have called him and asked him what he was doing with my granddaughter. But he said it, he has nothing to do with my granddaughter. I want you to hold your peace, just calm down. I shall talk to my granddaughter when she comes back from the farm. So don't just bother. I assure you, I give you my word. I gave you my word that no man will marry her.
Thank you, man.
So, Jerusalem can go with Telegram. Let me get you some.
No, don't bother. I'll give him. Yeah, I was in a hurry before I decided to branch. I have a lot of things. I can even give you one from my car.
Don't tell me that you can give me. Bring one with you. Why did you tell Amobi that you will not marry me? Why?
Grandpa, what was I supposed to tell him? Like, was I supposed to lie to him? I told him the truth. I just wanted him to know that his intention cannot work. I cannot marry him because I don't love him. So it's better he knows the truth. So he will stop wasting his time.
And you collected his money. You see that table on the son? Listen. I'm going to undo that charm that he's using to deceive you. That charm. No matter where he hid the charm. I will bring it. I will undo it. Mark my word. Yes. Just mark my word. I will undo that charm.
Grandpa, if she comes out of this room, you have not done anything.
You keep quiet before I skin your life.
This thing will not get you angry. Our granddaughter is no more a child. She knows the best for her. If she says that she's not going to marry Amobi, you should allow her. You will not force her.
Imagine the type of rubbish, nonsense that is coming out of your mouth. No, look at what you are voicing out. You were here when Amobi came with his mother. You are here when Amobi gave her 100,000 naira. He equally gave both of us 50,000 naira each. Are you telling me that you don't have conscience? Is that what you are telling me?
No. What I want is my granddaughter happiness. As for the money Amobi gave to us, I will return it back to him.
Yes, you are the one to return the money. But for my own, I don't have Nigerian. Yes, that money, I've eaten the money and I'm even looking for more. Who are you? Whether you like it or not, you must marry Amobi. You must marry that young man. If you fail to marry him, I assure you that I will call your father. I will tell you who he is. He's hot temper. Don't beg me. No. I will call your father and I will tell him.
No, please. Don't call my son.
Talk to her.
I will talk to her.
Talk to your daughter. Your granddaughter. Why are you
I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love.
Mudochi, our people say that the stubborn grasshopper ends up in the belly of a humble. And I want to tell you that any animal that is trampled to death by an elephant is death.
Nah, don't be offended. Why the proverbs?
You are asking me why the proverbs? Tell your son to stay away from my daughter, my granddaughter Uyechi. He has been the one confusing her to keep rejecting suitors that are coming to seek for her in marriage. Yes. I asked him, he said that he has nothing to do with her. But my friend is a proof that he has been the one confusing her. Tell him to stay away from her. Don't say that I did not warn you. And you, stubborn he-goat, you have been the one confusing Uyechi to keep rejecting important suitors that are coming to seek for her in marriage. I have warned you before and I'm warning you for the last time. Stay away from Uyechi. If not, you will not be happy to see what I will do to you. I I will possibly teach you a lesson that you will never forget in a hurry. Don't say that I did not warn you. Tell him to leave my granddaughter alone if you want peace.
Chukwu Kamso. Chukwu Kamso. Did you hear that? How funny I'm talking to you now. Are you okay? You want to step out on me? Better not try it again. Did you hear what he just said? Stay away from his granddaughter.
I heard everything he said.
You heard everything he said. You are the only child that I have after the death of your father. And I don't want anything to happen to you. Okonkwo is name now you should toy with. Do you hear me? He said you should leave his grandchild alone. Leave her alone. Could you hear me?
Mama, okay, I have. Let's go, please.
You have. Let's go, please. Any relationship that the parent does not support, me, I'm also against it too. What? So you mean he came here to warn you to stay away from me? After I've told him countless times that I can't marry that man. I've told him that my heart belongs to you, and if there is anybody I want to spend the rest of my life with, it is you. Kamso. It's okay. It's not worth spoiling your mood. I've given you so many assurances that it is you and no one else. So what he said to you is not even supposed to... It's not supposed to bother you. Nobody will force me to marry who I don't want to marry. Nobody will. I just want you to have that nobody will force me to marry who I don't want to marry. And if there's anybody I want to spend the rest of my life with, it is you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Grandpa, to be sincere, I don't understand you. I seriously do not understand you. Wait, is it because of his rich? That's why you want to force me to get married to him? Because I see no reason why you will comfort Chikamso to stay away from me.
Did you hear your daughter? You hear what your grandmother said? It is crystal clear now that poor wretched idiot is the one confusing you. But don't worry, I shall play a dangerous music that will be very difficult for him to dance.
Grandpa, I want you to know something.
And what is that?
I love Chikamso so much, and I can do anything for him no matter who's involved.
Including me. So you have the right to talk to your grandfather like this. Even look at this little rat talking to me. No. So you lack respect.
Man, I beg you in the name of God. Don't allow this thing to bring problem to your household. I have warned you before that it is not necessary for us to force our granddaughter to marry Amobi.
I know why I'm saying this.
Why are you saying this?
Allow her to make her choice.
Enough! So you are the one supporting her. To bring shame upon this reputable family. That is a mission impossible. You are not supporting her to drag my name in the mud. Grandpa, you want me to allow her?
Grandpa, why are you raising your voice now? What does Grandma say that is wrong that is making you...
Can you keep quiet there? It's a proof that you know nothing. You don't know anything.
Me too.
What will be? Now, both of you, out of my sight. Get out of my presence. Get out!
Let's go.
Look at both of them. And I got someone to let you see off here. And you are here, you are supporting her. By the time I'm done with both of you, whether you like it or not, you must marry her. You must marry him. Nonsense. Look at you supporting her. And you want me to start clapping for you. Not in this house. Not when I'm still alive. Nonsense. How can it be? Hey. My son, please, I want you to calm down. I know you are pissed off, but please take it easy. You see, a lot of things has been happening in this village, but as a man, I was able to handle them. You see, I have to make reference to the days of old, before I got married to your mother. She happens to be one among the most beautiful girls in this community. A lot of battle, hustle, here and there, but at the end of the day, I succeeded in getting her hand in marriage. So when looking at her now, and both of you, they seem as if you are mates. You are not mates. Why before you go mine? So I'm making reference to my own community, our own lineage. We do marry at a tender age, most especially women. But then she was around that type of 19 years. I married her at the age of 19. And look at the benefit of it now. She was able to have a grown-up son like you, not only you and the rest. So your mother, I married her at the age of 19, and she happens to be one of the most beautiful girls in this community then. And look at my granddaughter, Oinyechi. She's almost of the same age. She's even above the age. She's now about 20 years now. Well, I make mention of her because she's one among the most beautiful girls in this community for now. So along the line, about few weeks ago, one was in Joko. He came here with his son called Amobi that based in South Africa. They came together with even one woman, said that's the new wife, telling me that the son saw a damsel that dances the music that he plays in my house. I say, who is that? I say, Onyechi. Say, what is it? He said that the son is interested in Onyechi, that he wants to marry her. Then I have nothing to say because I'm the grandfather. I have a son who is the father. When he comes, I will discuss with him. Whatever he says is what I will do because I don't have the final say. So that is it. To the glory of God, and now you are here. So I have to let you know. Because in our family, we marry at a very tender age, most especially women. So what do you have to say about that, please?
I've heard you, Papa.
Thank you. God bless you.
I've heard you.
Yes.
I have a lot of respect for you.
Yes, I know.
As my father. Yes, it has always been like that, and it will remain so.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you for all you do, all you've done. Yes. I really, really appreciate everything.
Happy.
Things have changed. The way you people did things during your time is not the way we do things now. Yes. For me, 19 years for a woman is too young to get married. My daughter is just about 19. She's going to be 20 or so. She needs to finish her education first. Go to the university, complete that, complete NYSC before she'll start talking about marriage. By then she'll be about 24, 25. Then she'll be more mature. She can make choices on her own. Right now, at this age, the age of 19, her problem cannot be man. No, I say no. I will not accept it. I do not want to see any boy or any man or anything near my daughter. I will not take it. Yes, I've made my point. Things have changed. For now, she will go to school, finish university, finish NYSC. She'll be about 24, 25 before she'll start talking about marriage. That's where I stand. In fact, my plan is to take her with me to the city tomorrow. Yes, from now on, she'll be staying with me. As you know, I left her here in your care because when I had her, you know how things were for me at that time. I was still very young. I was not doing well. I couldn't really take care of her. That was why I left her with you and Mama. And I must appreciate both of you because you have done a good job helping me raise her. Now things have changed. I'm a successful man now. God has done a lot for me. Okay, I can now take care of my daughter very well. So first thing tomorrow morning, she will move with me to the city. That's where she'll be staying. She'll be staying with me from now on. Yes, I'll take good care of her. Thank you once again, Papa.
My son, I think I buy this your idea. It's a very good idea. I'm happy about that.
Thank you.
Your decision is final. And I have to call her and let her know so that she will get prepared and make... Oyechi! Come here. Come. Sit down. Oyechi, my granddaughter. Sir? You'll be leaving first thing tomorrow morning with your father to the city. Yes. He wants you to go to school, to go to university. I know you're happy about it. Huh? You have to be happy. You go to school, whether you graduate, you become somebody. And leave the very village. So you'll be leaving tomorrow morning with him. Go inside and start preparing.
Whether she is happy or not, that is not that's not the point.
Yes.
The point is that the right thing will be done. It's already decided that my father have taken that decision. She will go to the city with me tomorrow. She will be living there, and that's how
it's going to be.
That's how it's going to be. It's final. So you get ready tomorrow morning. We move.
Go inside. Go start arranging things. If you bring us some clothes, all those ones you want to wash them.
So, Papa, I was thinking if that land lose.
Mama, please. Please, I'm begging you. I love Onyinyechi so much. I love her so much. It's as if our love, I doubt if our love is from the spirit world. Please don't tell me to leave her alone, because I don't think I'm going to survive it.
She comes so you will survive it. I was fully in support. But when it comes to threat to life, and mind you, it seems you're forgetting the saying of our people that says it is better that wine which will bring problem between two close friends to break on the way. You forgot what Okonkwo told you here the day he came.
Mama, I am not scared of him. That's just an empty threat. Nothing is going to happen to me.
Call it empty threat.
See, Mama, even Onyinye's grandmother is even in support for me to get married to her granddaughter. Yes, now.
Chikamso, you have money to pay Onyinye's bride price and where? Bring it. We'll go and marry her today.
I don't have money like that, but I believe that God will provide. I don't have much money like that. No, I just want you to support me. That is all I want. Just support me. I can't stand. Mama, see, do you want me to die? Don't you know if only leave me now, I may not even survive it. You see, you don't want me to eat your food again.
You don't want to eat my food again? You won't threaten me. Ilana, don't even threaten me with eating my food. Can you do that? Come and come. So good in you will not eat my food again. Be careful of yourself. Do you know what it means to say you will not eat my food? Because I give you leverage. I'm a Punkene Mozane. You will not eat. Let me hear it from your mouth again. Then I will die first. My son Chikamso has been crying, pleading that your husband should allow him be with Onyinyechi.
Even my granddaughter refused to eat. She said it is only your son. If it's not, she's not going to marry any other man. But I've been pleading with my husband. He keeps moving stubborn. So I don't know what to do again. I'm tired.
I know why. I know it's because my son do not have money. My son is poor. Had even my son had money like Amobi, with joy, your husband would have bundled Onyinyechi to my son.
Ibechi, my sister, stop saying like that. In time like this, money is not everything. But I'm assuring you that it is only the will of God that will prevail.
Yes.
Amen. Amen. Because if a grandfather can be this stubborn and insisting that two relationships be broken, what will happen if it is the direct father that is involved? Mami Adeba.
My sister, don't worry. I'm talking to my son. But I know that my husband will discourage him. But please, let's take it step by step. Everything will be fine. Eh? Don't worry, eh? No problem. So, let me go to the market, eh? We will see you later. Bye-bye.
Love can be found in some odd places. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience. I got to live my life, get all the fun I wish, I get all the happiness I want. But you remember in this life, what you sow is what you reap. Everything happens for a reason, but what we be will surely be. We surely be. We surely be. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love.
I am fine. What do you want from me?
I'm sitting at the...
You see, Chikamso, there is no doubt that you and Oyechi are in love with each other. Fine, that one is quite understandable. But I have one thing to tell you. You know that it will be improper for a pauper like you to eat the food meant for Odogu. You are not capable of that.
Wait, I don't... Amobi, what are you trying to say?
Okay, let me complain. You see, everything has a price, including the gods. So tell me, how much should I pay you? How much do I give you so I can leave Onyechi for me? How much?
Now listen to me and listen very carefully. I don't want anything from you, not even your so-called money. Alright? I don't want anything from you. Leave Onyechi for me because she's the only woman I want to get married to. The earlier for you to understand that, the better for you. Alright? Okay, please.
You really said this to me? You really said this to me? Huh?
I see you don't have any better thing to tell me. Excuse me.
Hey! I'm no Odogu like me. This papa was talking to me like that. Okay. What the man? Was inside that no orange.
I see someone that needs some breeze of love. Whoa. Love can be found in some odd places. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience. Days goes by, sometimes days goes by, sometimes
you're really enjoying it. What do you want? I came to see you. I hope there's no problem. No, sir. Okay, sit down.
Sometimes
I came to see you to tell you that I want to marry your granddaughter Onyinyechi.
You came to marry who?
Your granddaughter Onyinyechi. Yes.
No, that's all right. Hey. Mr. Barry. Obidia.
Nai.
Come, bia.
Yes.
Welcome, eh?
I'll go for you on a young man. I want you to repeat that nonsense you told me now.
I said that I love your granddaughter Onyinyechi and I want to marry her. Yes.
You have what you say. So you have no fear. You came all the way to me now telling me that you want to marry my daughter, my granddaughter. I said it. I know that madness runs in your family. Yes, it runs in your family. That is why you are bold enough and come to me and tell me that you want to marry my granddaughter. By the way, what do you do for a living? Tell me, what do you do for a living?
I am an artist and also a songwriter. I'm just in this village because I need to gather up some money to expand my craft. Now you see, I have a very bright future. Just that I don't have much money to build up myself. That's why I'm here. Yes, sir.
You have a very bright future, and you came to marry my daughter. Is that not so? You came to marry my daughter. Do you see why I said that you have been the one confusing my daughter? You are an artist. You have bright future. Which good future do you have? Where is that bright future? Yeah, with this type of hairstyle. See, let me tell you. See, if I should go out now, go inside there, come back and you are still here, I assure you that night vultures will feast on this your miserable body. Wait for me here. Just wait for me.
Please go. I don't want to bother. Please go. Please go. Go.
Nonsense. Thank yourself that I did not meet you.
Take it easy.
No, don't tell me that. You have to thank your ancestor that I did not meet you here. I know. I don't blame him. I don't blame him. It's okay. It's a meeting. It's a plan that both of you plan. Okay. Yes. If not, tell me what to bring this a flavor. It's a flavor daughter that planned it with you. That is why he's bold enough to come to me. Nonsense. It's okay. Don't be no Christian to me. Don't just say to me that it's okay.
No, sorry.
Sorry for what? It's easy. Say to what? Why will I take it? Why are you getting? I don't blame him. But I know it's a meeting. It's a plan that both of you plan against me. But that plan will fail. It already failed.
Sit down.
Sit down. Food. Carry this miserable food. Take it out of here. I don't want to eat it. Take it out from me.
You're not eating again.
I'm not eating another meal. But you use my first. Take this thing out of here.
No, take it easy.
He's very, very lucky.
No, because
very, very lucky. No, don't blame me. No, I'm not blaming him. I did not blame him. It's the stupid granddaughter that sent him to come and meet me. They say that yes, when they meet me here, yes, I will just succumb to their plot. And you are part of the plot. Even you, over there, you are part of the plot. You are part of the plot. If not, you will not tell me to calm down. Calm down for what? Why will I calm down?
You needed to see the way my grandfather was raising his voice at me. At a point, he almost beat the hell out of me. Because he thought I was the one that told you to go and talk to him.
Okay, I am so sorry for that. At least, thank God he didn't even hit you.
You have nothing to be sorry about. I mean, I'm happy I was able to pass through all this pain because of you. I'm happy that you stood up as a man to talk to my grandfather. But I'm just confused. I don't know if my father knows what my grandfather is doing. I don't know if you know that my grandfather is persuading me to get married at this young age. Especially making me to get married to a man that I don't even have anything for. I've been thinking about it.
See, I appreciate you for everything you've been doing. I believe we will fight this battle and we must conquer it together. Okay? Thank you for everything.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I see that Mama is preparing something nice. I can perceive it.
Mama, you should know her by now.
So, well, it should not be nice if I come here and I'm seeing Mama cooking and I don't assist her.
Come on, there is no need for that. I think she's almost done.
She's my future mother-in-law. I need to help her. It will not be nice if I come here and I see her cooking. I do not assist her. So, get out and help her.
Alright.
Chikamso came to your house to tell your father you want to marry Onyinye.
Yes, Onyinye. News is everywhere now.
Yeah? Your sister, what is wrong with her? So where is she getting from Chikamso that Amobi cannot give to her? Nneka, what you need to understand is that the okra plant does not grow in the compound of him that knows how to cook. I don't know what is wrong with Onyinye. Can't even tell. See, from that, I just know that some girls are stupid and foolish. She's still my niece. Don't have to insult her. Sorry, but see the way she's behaving now. Nneka, I think Chikamso is using charm on her. Yes! Because Onyinye has been rejecting every suitor that comes to the house. Yes! My sister, you are right. Let me explain this better. But I don't blame my father. This December now, you know they'll come and pay all my marriage rent and then take me home. My family used to marry early now, you know. Even you, if you come to the house. My father will ask when are you getting married though. He knows the age of every lady. Don't remind me of my age. I'm getting married soon. After you, it's me. Yes. You can't avoid my house. I don't want any question. Please let me rush, go, Jerry. Alright, bye-bye. We'll see now. Ike? Kamso! Ike?
Who is pursuing you by this time? What happened?
You won't believe what happened.
What happened?
I saw Amobi's car driving into my compound. And immediately I had to run away. That man is just being unnecessarily stubborn.
That Amobi guy is just very, very foolish.
He's stubborn. I told him that my heart belongs to you. But he's not listening. He just moving over me.
That man is a very foolish person, though. Very, very foolish. Because why wouldn't he just let us be? Why wouldn't he just let us be rather than causing problems everywhere? Okay, ma'am, I am so sorry you have to run like this, okay? Let me take you inside and get you something to drink. Alright?
No. Please. No. I said leave me alone. Just go back. Enough is enough. Today I'm going to show you the essence of house of the army. Please. Marriage is a man's culture. Yeah, this is my gender.
Chikamso, I've told you. What if Okungo ended up killing you? Who would I have told my chi? Leave Onyinyechi alone, Isimba. Chikamso, please leave Onyinyechi. Leave her alone. They don't want you with her. Be happy I can. You are my only eyes. Otumbaji tiel no kokebo. Ifo nga koro chingeni. Chikamso, leave Onyinyechi because.
See, Mama, that man just hates me naturally. He just hates me. I remember when we were still small, like I and Onyinye, sometimes he calls us husband and wife anytime he sees us. But now things have changed.
Yes, things have changed. You just said it. And now that things have changed, you follow the beat of the new dance. You follow the beat. He calls you husband and wife back then, but now he no longer wants you. There's so many other women. You can find love elsewhere. Leave Onyinyechi because I leave Onyinyechi. Chikamso lapo Onyinyechi aka. Leave Onyinyechi because I am my son.
It is not that easy. I love Onyinye. There's no way how will you tell me to live the love of my life. It's not as easy as you think now.
Mama, do this. I know it's not easy. But you can try. You can try. See, promise me. Promise me you will leave Onyinyechi. Promise me.
Oh yeah? You are the woman I want. Listen, I will take you around the whole world. Any country of your choice. Name it. I just want to make you the mother of my children. I love you. Don't allow that small boy to be confused you around. He has nothing to offer you. He's poor. I love you. I want to make you the mother of my children. Listen, stop allowing that boy to be deceiving you around. He has nothing. He's a pauper. He cannot offer you anything. Huh? I will take you around any country of your choice. Just name it, choose it, and you see it done. Let that boy be. Leave him alone.
Amobi, how do I explain this to you? I don't have any feelings for you. Even if I'm not with Kamso, I can't end up with you because the feelings is not there. Please, listen, there's so many girls in this village. Pick one and make your wife. Let me be.
Everything has price, including the gods. Whatever it is you want, I will do it for you.
No! I don't love you. It cannot work. Don't you get it? Leave me alone.
Then how do I explain this love that I have?
My love. I was about going to your place. Let's go.
Love can be found in some odd places. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience. I got to live my life, get all the fun I wish, I get all the happiness I want. But you remember in this life, what you sow is what you reap. Everything happens for a reason. But what will be will surely be.
Thank you very much for everything you've done. Honestly, I cannot thank both of you enough. What would I have done without you? You helped me take care of my daughter when I couldn't. And then I was not financially okay. You accepted to take very good care of my child. Today, here we are. Thank you. Thank you. Papa, you know how we do it now. If you need anything, you don't even need to call me. Just send the text message. I'm not
on my place. I don't know how to do it. My own is hello.
Mama, if you need anything, let me know. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Go myself. Safe journey.
Thank you.
Come. Your father is ready.
Oh, your father is ready.
Put your things in the bus. Let's go.
I am so sorry I took much of your time. I was trying to arrange my...
I know. You came and we're about leaving now.
Okay.
Dad, I want Kamso to come with me to the city. The city will be very boring without him.
Yes, exactly.
Oniye, are you mad? My friend, get into this car, let's go.
Dad, no. If Kamso is not coming with me to the city, I'm not leaving.
Huh? I know it's Kamso, this boy. We must sound this boy.
Any language you wish to pronounce it doesn't come with you.
How can you read daughter?
Take it easy.
Come on.
After waiting for a 1 year, I come out of here. In the baby, you need to you tell your granddaughter, go and do that now. For me, I have nothing to say.
I will leave you too. Okay? There's no way you're going to go to the city without me. Okay? I'm not leaving you.
If I can't go to the city with you, then I'll stay here with you.
Yes, that's the best thing we are going to be together. Okay? I love you so much. I'm going to stay here with you. You can't go there without me, okay?
I love you so much. I love you.
Hey! Let's do this. this car. Now, I said get into this car now. Enter this car. No. Are you mad?
No, I can't go without seeing you.
Hey, stop touching my daughter. Are you mad? Leave her alone. Leave her alone, babe. I said leave her alone. Oh, Jesus. Somebody help. Somebody help. Somebody help. God, what have I done?
I love you. Like when we grow up, and when you're going to marry, I'll marry you while we grow up. Chika will come let us go and play football. Emeka will not play with you. It is true. We don't want to play with you.
Somebody help me! Somebody help! Somebody help! No, please. I'm fleeing to the city. This is happening. Please help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Do you see Uchi? Who is she?
Please, she's not breathing. She's not breathing. Oh, yes, not breathing. Oh, yes, not breathing. Please. I don't know. She was shot. Shut my room. Come, show me. Come.
This is the person. He's the one that shot the girl and they're accusing my nephew. Arrest him, officer.
It's okay, sir. Mr. Afam, please, you have to follow us to the station for questioning and your statement. Please, sir.
No! My son is not going anywhere.
No, what?
Chikemso was the person that shot my granddaughter.
He's the one! He's the one! He's the one!
Calm down. How's he the one?
Calm down, sir. He's the one.
He has to go with us to the station and give his statement.
Simple. That's all, sir. My
Let's
son is a
go.
killer.
Arrest him!
Is that boy Chikemso that is arrested?
Go with us. Let's go with us. We'll come back.
Wait. He said something that entered my ears. He said that he's going there to give a statement and questioning, that's all. But if I should wait till evening without seeing him there, I will go to the station myself. Yes. That is it. Chikemso was the person that killed my granddaughter and that accused my for nothing. What type of nonsense is that?
Afam.
Wait, let us just wait. Huh?
Okay.
I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. Love can be found in some odd places. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience. I got to live my life, get all the fun I wish, I get all the happiness I want. But you remember in this life, what you sow is what you reap. Everything happens for a reason, but what will be will surely be. We surely be. We surely be. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. I'm sitting at the corner. I see someone that needs some breeze of love. Whoa. Love can be found in some odd places. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's bitter, sometimes sweet, bitter experience. There's no smile, sometimes there's no smile.